Hi, hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I am going to share one of my favorite beauty boxes. The Allure box just came, and yes, it's killing it once again. This box has been so awesome, and when I show you what all's in it, you're going to see why. So let's get to it. Okay, friends, thanks for being here. I love your support. I'd love it if you'd subscribe, hit the like button, leave me a comment, do those things that support my channel if you wish. And let's get going here. All right, first of all, I just want to say I just filmed an exciting video for me because if you've followed me, you kind of know that I've been wanting to pick up some Charlotte Tilbury makeup and be able to do a full look, and I finally got to the point where I had enough that I could do a full look. So I just filmed that. It'll probably be up in a few days. So I have a couple of sub boxes I'm going to get up first. But anyway, so makeup courtesy of Charlotte Tilbury. And so let's get to this, okay? All right. Open it up. Here we go. Sneak peek. What's in here? And what do I pull out? I'm going to pull out the most exciting thing for me first. And I happen to be wearing it today. This is the Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Beautiful Skin Sun Kiss Glow Bronzer. All right. And I got it. I'm kind of glad I got this second shade. They had 4 shades. And this shade is just perfect for me. I love it. So there's what it looks like. It's kind of a cream. It's like a, so there's that. There's what it looks like. So I absolutely love this. This is like fabulous. It's valued at $58. This is a full-size product. This is a $25 box. So, and you can even get it for way cheaper, your first box. But, so we've already like doubled the price of the box, over doubled in just the first item. So there we go. This is why this box is so wonderful. Okay, the next thing I'm going to get to is a perfume they gave us. And this is by Rosie Jane. And it is a, it's kind of a coconut, what did they say? A coconutty citrus. And it's not, when you first smell it, it's just not my thing. But I think when I got the box yesterday, I opened it up and I did, because I wanted to get to this so I could use it today. And also the Rosie Jane perfume, I did put a little bit on just to see if I'd like it. And it's not bad. I mean, it does feel kind of sun-kissed. I smell a little bit of citrus, which I like. And the coconut's in there a little bit. So not my favorite. I have favorite perfumes, but it's not bad. It actually is... this is a full-size, actually full-size product. It's a roll-on. So you probably saw me do that, right? So anyway, and it is valued at $45. So there again, we almost double the box in our second item. So the second item, adding that to this, we've quadrupled the cost of the box. Pretty amazing, right? Okay, it just gets better. All right. The next thing I'm pulling out is the Long Lush Lashes 100% all your own. This is a Grande Lash MD. This is loaded with vitamins and let's see what it has, what it says about it. It has lash serum with vitamins, peptides, and amino acids. What you do with this is you put this on your lash line with you when you do your, when you do your serums or your face makeup. You just put this on and it works. Your lashes will grow. Now, I I just finished, I had a Babe Lash, and the Babe Lash works too. I really liked it, but I wanted to try this. I heard this one's even better. So I'm so excited to have this. So it does, you'll notice a difference in your lashes. It's amazing. I noticed that my outer lashes have gotten a lot longer. But anyway, so I can't say enough about this. Guess how much this is? $68. Okay, so you add this, I'm just kind of doing a little bit of math in my head. You've not just quadrupled, but what's this? The six, anyway, you've 6 times it. Okay, so just with the first 3 products. Now the next products, there actually is another full-size product, but it's an inexpensive product. This is Vitamin E Bag Balm Lip Moisturizer. I can never complain about something like this. It'd probably be good before bed, or just if you have chapped lips or anything like that. It's only $5.99, but that's a nice thing to add to the box. So, okay, so I have 2 more items. So that's 4. There's 6 items total. The next item is such a cute little bottle. This is, obviously it's going to be a sample size, but this is 2410 for 1.94 ounces. I'm sure this is just, I don't know what this is, but look how cute the bottle is. Now this is a moisturizer. It's you know what, I'm gonna put my glasses on here and we'll tell you about it. So this is Fruitia Green Grape Pore Control Cream. It's the mini size, and it's a unique K-Beauty Sherbet moisturizer. This turns watery and cool as you rub it in, making it fun to apply. It's lightweight. Despite the name, it's not really a cream, but creates a barrier over your usual serum to help seal in moisture. So anyway, that sounds great. I'm not mad at it. So anyway, the last thing here is, I'm going to use my glasses again. This is Kerastase Soy Acid Chroma Gloss. That sounds different. This is $58 for 210 milliliters. I'm not sure how much this has in it, but it is a sample, and it is a hair product. This in-shower at-home gloss can extend your hair color. It's like popping into a salon when your hair looks dull. One editor says, my color looks vibrant when I treat it with this gloss, and I've seen a significant reduction in frizz too. So it says to use once a week after shampooing. I'm excited to try it. So I'm not sure I can afford the $58 version, but I love getting samples like this. Allure Beauty, they know their stuff. Things that they put in their boxes and things that they recommend are always high quality, highly liked and sought after products. So anyway, hair product definitely will use. I'm excited to try this little serum moisturizer. The Bag Balm Lip, that's good. We've got the perfume, the Grande Lash, and the Charlotte Tilbury. So all these items, this was a great box for $25. Run and get it. I do have a code below you can use. I think you'll get $10 off your first box. So anyway, go give it a try and you'll thank me later. All right. So let me know what you think about Allure. Do you get the Allure box? Do you like it? I think it's pretty fabulous. So anyway, thanks for being here. I appreciate your support. I'd love it if you'd subscribe, hit the like button, do those things that support my channel. Please leave me a comment and let me know what you think of the Allure box. So anyway, I will talk to you later. Thanks, friends. Bye-bye.